In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove recently visited sites shortcut icon from Firefox. If you'd like to remove the recently visited site shortcuts that appear on the Firefox homepage, the browser provides a few simple options to help you clean up your start page. Whether you want to remove a single shortcut or prevent recently visited websites from appearing altogether, Firefox makes it easy to customize the homepage to better match your preferences. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the available options. To begin, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. If your homepage is set to Firefox Home, you'll see a collection of website shortcuts when the browser opens. These shortcuts may include websites you've visited recently, along with a few sites that Firefox displays by default. If you only want to remove a specific shortcut, move your mouse pointer over the website icon you want to remove. When you hover over it, a three-dot menu will appear in the corner of the shortcut. Click that menu, then choose Dismiss. The selected shortcut will immediately disappear from the Firefox homepage. You can repeat the same process for any other shortcuts that you no longer want to see. If the removed shortcut is replaced by another recently visited website, it's because Firefox is still displaying recent shortcuts automatically. To change this behavior, click the gear icon in the bottom right corner of the Firefox homepage to open the Home Customization options. You can also open the Firefox application menu, select Settings, and then choose Home from the menu on the left. In the Home settings, locate the Shortcuts section. Here you'll find options that control which shortcuts appear on the Firefox homepage. If the option to display sponsored shortcuts or recently visited sites is enabled, clear the appropriate checkbox to stop those shortcuts from appearing. Firefox saves your changes automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. After making the changes, return to the Firefox homepage or open a new homepage tab to verify that the recently visited site shortcuts are no longer being displayed. If necessary, refresh the page or restart Firefox to confirm that the updated settings have taken effect. If you ever want to show recently visited shortcuts again, simply return to the same home settings and enable the option once more. Firefox lets you customize these settings at any time, making it easy to adjust your homepage as your browsing preferences change. That's all there is to it. Removing recently visited site shortcut icons from Firefox is quick and helps create a cleaner, more personalized browser homepage. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,